Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. All right, we're going to classify triangles today. The first video is on classifying triangles by angles, sorry. And here's how we do it. So we have an obtuse triangle, right triangle, acute triangle, and equiangular triangle. Okay, so what are these things? So copy down, copy down, copy down, copy down. You want to see mine? Yeah, check it out. Here's my notes. Classifying triangles by angles is the top. So if one of the angles is obtuse in the triangle, then the whole triangle we just call it obtuse. So I'm looking for one obtuse angle, then it's an obtuse triangle. If one of the angles is a right angle, then the triangle is called a right triangle. If all three angles are acute, then we call it acute triangle. If all three angles are congruent, then the triangle is called equiangular. Get it? Like equal angles, yeah, congruent. Okay, cool, same thing. So this is what I want you to do. Once you got that down, we're going to start classifying, yeah. So I'm going to do these three, and you're going to do these six on your own, okay? So copy down A, B, and C. Draw those in your notes, A, B, and C. Okay, let's take a look. So here's A. So is this triangle acute, obtuse, right, equiangular? What is it? Okay, let's look. So these symbols right here mean congruent. So that means whatever this angle is, so they're all the same angle. So this means that all the angles are congruent. So if this is 60, what's this going to be? Yeah, 60. And what's this going to be? Yeah, 60, because 60 plus 60 plus 60 equals 180. So there are actually two names for this. One is acute. Why is it acute? Because all three angles are less than 90. This is an acute triangle. Write that down. Also, what else is it? Yeah, it's an equiangular triangle. Why? Because all of the angles are congruent. They're all 60 degrees. So this one actually has two names. Cool. Let's do B now. So triangle DEF. Oh, I'm looking at this, 120 degrees. What type of angle is that? Yeah, that's an obtuse angle. So if we have one obtuse angle, that means this is called an obtuse triangle. Bam. So B is an obtuse triangle. Why? Because there's one obtuse angle. That's between 90 and 180. Ooh, let's try C. What do you think this one is? Yeah, even though it doesn't have the step, it says 90. So if it says 90, that's a right angle. And if you have a right angle, that means you have a right triangle, because one of the angles is a right angle. It doesn't have to have the step. Sometimes it's going to say 90. If it had nothing and it looked like a 90 degrees, you can't assume that. You got to make sure it has 90 or the step. Okay? Now, I went over 3. Now it's your turn. Bam. So here is my drawings of all 6 right here. So check it out. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause the video and copy these down. And now I want you to label them acute, equiangular, obtuse, or right. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do all 6 on your own right now. Ready, set, go. All right, let's check it out. Let's see if you got them right. So the first one has a right angle right there because 90 degrees. So number 1 is a right triangle. If you didn't get it right, fix it. This one, ooh, obtuse angle between 90 and 180. So number 2 is an obtuse triangle because it has one obtuse angle in it. Ooh, 60, 60, 60. So that means all the angles are congruent. So this one is equiangular and acute. So 2 names for that one. Ooh, this one. What do you think number 4 is? All the angles are less than 90 degrees. This is just an acute triangle. A cute little triangle. There you go. And, ooh, another 90-degree angle. So this is a right triangle. Cool. Ooh, what's this one? 92 is greater than 90 and less than 180. So this is an obtuse angle. So even though it's 92, it's only a little bit of an obtuse angle. It's still an obtuse angle. So therefore, this is an obtuse triangle right there. Why? Because that angle is between 90 and 180. Sorry, I should say 90. Be more clear. Cool. So that's how you label and classify triangles via angles. Next video, we're going to classify triangles via sides. See you there.